Good morning, guys. This is Sunday, and I just want to give you a little brief tutorial. Sunday morning, beautiful morning, just a brief tutorial on how to use your articles. Now, you understand that on the platform, we have different tutorials for different things. But what I want to show you is something here. Now, here's a member here, neutral organic, and I want to give you a quick brief outline of how beneficial it can actually be to start to use your article section. Now, if we go into the articles, I've just put this article for them today, and I've got a little bit of work to do on it in terms of adding maybe some more images, video, etc., etc. And you can see all that in the testimonial. You can see all that in the tutorial that I did based on how to use your article service and how to discipline it. Now, what I want to tell you is you don't have to write regular articles every single day in order to get the benefits of it. And for those of you who are still wondering on the post on the marketing group what the relationship was to the tree and the greenness of there, we're talking here about evergreen content. Evergreen content means a good quality piece of content that's going to rank and continue to develop you traffic and authority time after time after time. Now, how often do you need to maybe add an article to your profile? Well, that's totally up to you, but I would say, look, guys, if you can get an article written, even written for you on Fiverr, go to fiverr.com, get someone to write you an article once a week. It only costs you $5 or $10 at the most, right? For those of you who are excellent article writers, then look towards putting an article on your profile once a week yourself. It doesn't take long to write. You don't have to pull your hair out trying to think about what to write and how to do it. It's not hard to write an article. Minimum level of 500 words, maximum 1,000, 1,200, 1,500. Don't go nuts. Don't have 2,000, 3,000. You'll bore people, and especially on your profile here. Now, we're going to start putting more articles on here for Dr. Larry, but let me just tell you something. If you add a number of articles on here, one a week, say, for a while, and you target specific keywords or target some long tail key phrases, you will find out that you will start to drive a hell of a lot more traffic. Now, I've just put this on this morning, but let me give you a little idea of what the reality of this actually means. Actually, let me actually go to read more, okay? A great quality article on your profile, and as I said, we've got to do a little bit more work to this. I'm going to put probably a video and edit a little bit and add some more titles in terms of, you see how we've added our sleep disorders, and we've added a title here, an H2 title with keywords. But a good quality article can drive you some excellent traffic, and I'm going to show you what that actually means. We're going to go to another section here, and if we basically put in the web sleep disorder psychology, I can see at a very quick glance that this only has a cost per click of 173. The competition's fairly low for it, and there's 590 searches a month. If I can get a percentage of that traffic on that one article, that's going to drive some traffic not only to my profile but to the website. So let me just go back here to my article. Okay, I'm going to promote this on social media. I'm going to share it around. Okay, and one of the things that I think is a really good idea is you can take an image of, let's say if we go to John Kemp's review, I could actually take an image of a review, maybe, let's say it was about, he did something on insomnia, exercises for insomnia, and I can take this, take a picture of this, take a copy of this review. Oh, let's get rid of this a minute. Okay, and I can actually put that in the article, and that would actually then show a review or a testimonial within that article, and it might get people to click, etc., etc. Okay, but the great thing about this is this is on your profile, and this is driving you traffic. Now, if I also put a link in, okay, and if I connect this link to my actual main web page, it's going to go straight to another article that I wrote on sleep disorders to the actual web page, giving me authority and a good quality backlink back to that article. And obviously that is you working in a totally white hat way. Now there's a lot more in depth with this that we can go through. What I would suggest you do is go on a YouTube or go up to our tutorials and find out about the article marketing. I actually need to add some more videos here because we've got a lot of tutorials. I think we're 17 or 24 at last count. But on YouTube, on our YouTube channel, go and subscribe to the YouTube channel because I'll be adding, probably taking these away and just having links to our YouTube or putting them on a video. We're going to change that section a little bit. But watch the YouTube tutorial on article writing and how you can use the power of your article writing and getting links. Now, another good thing is you can link to within your own profile, etc. Okay, or even, for instance, you might have a special deal. You can put a link down here to a special deal that you actually have on your profile. So that's it. Once a week, guys, put an article up there. Go to Fiverr.com or get someone to write an article for you if you're not a good writer. If you're a great writer, there is no excuse. You can easily put up an article a week on this. And here's the great thing. When myself or my team see really good quality articles, we are going to distribute them on our social and various other places as well. Okay? Guys, that's just a very, very quick lesson. I want you to really, really rock this out. Utilize the articles. This needs to change a little bit. We're going to work on that. But utilize those articles. These can be driving you traffic to your profile and to your website. Don't put the same article on both places. Put something different so you're getting authority and you're actually getting real traffic. And we're going to do another lesson on fake and real traffic just shortly. God bless, guys. Have a wonderful Sunday. And if you've got any questions, hit us up here and that'll come straight through to our Facebook page. Or alternatively, just drop us an email and we will help you as much as we possibly can. Or message us in the Facebook marketing group. God bless.